Right, good afternoon everyone. Now I've had some very good feedback from my little video the other week about plantar fasciitis, and there's been a couple of requests made since then, one of which was for some demonstration about taping for plantar fasciitis if you're suffering with it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if I just make way onto my seat, ideal way for you to be able to do this yourself. First of all, the foot you're going to be applying this to, make sure it's all nice and clean. There's no dead skin or dirt or oils or anything that might be slippery all the way from the foot all over the lower part of the leg here. I'm going to be using zinc oxide tape here, simply because it's all that's available to me. Normally the best thing to use is K tape, but unfortunately mine's left in the clinic, can't get to my clinic at the moment. So the demonstration I'm going to be doing, you can do exactly the same with K tape. It's far more beneficial. But this is what we need to do first. Measure out your tape. So for me, be just above the Achilles tendon. So little tear there. Now keeping your foot and your toes in an extended position like so. Place the tape just below the ball of the foot. If you're using K tape, about 50% stretch. No stretch on the end of the tape when you're placing it at both ends. Make sure you wrap it around. So it's wrapping around the heel and then pat it down so the whole tape is nice and secure. That's the first application that you need to make. Now the second application, we've gone in this direction longitudinally, we're going to go laterally next. So once again, measuring out your tape just above the ankle and going across the heel like so to go just above the ankle on the opposing side. So make a little bit of a tear there. Find that point just above the ankle. So go down over the ankle joint, over and up the other side. It's just above the ankle joint of the malleoli on the other side. Making sure you keep that foot in that extended position the whole time. Pat it all down, give it a bit of friction all over to make sure it's secure. And then the third and final application needs to be made. We're going to be going in a more diagonal direction over the plantar fascia itself. So once again, roughly the same location as before is where we start. So just above the ankle, just there, going in diagonal all the way across to the other side. Like with the previous two applications, you need to make sure that there's no tension when you initially apply. So just again, just above the malleoli just there. No tension at the point of application. 50% tension as you're going around, up to meet on the other side of the ankle. So, as you can see, that holds that. The idea of this application is to hold it in that more supinated position, so you're not constantly rolling your foot inside, which is one of the major causes of plantar fasciitis. You're also taking the strain off the inverts of the foot that run along the inside of the muscle there. Again, weakness in these muscles can cause the foot to overpronate, to go inwards more, and therefore put further pressure on that arch and the plantar fascia itself. So it holds it in that more outwardly rotated position rather than constantly rotating inwards. But as you can see, all the applications roughly start in the same area, so longitudinally, laterally, and then diagonally. Okay, and roughly they meet, no, ideally this would be a bit longer, but roughly they meet in around about the same area on the other side as well. So that is a perfect example of how to apply K-tape for plantar fasciitis. Any questions at all, just pop your comments in just below. But thank you for watching, and anything else I can help you with, don't hesitate to ask. Bye for now.